Under which rule of Railway Service Conduct Rule 1966 accept or give dowry is prohibited? Rule 13A. The maximum period of special disability leave is granted in one spell is 24 months. How many sets of privilege pass are entitled to officers in a calendar year? 6. How many sets of PTO are entitled to officers in a calendar year? 4. What is the validity of a half set privilege pass? 4 months. What is the validity of PTO? 4 months. How many years of service are required for eligibility of a post retirement complementary pass? 20. What is the maximum number of days for encashment of leave at the time of superannuation? 300 days. What are the types of transfer available in railway service? Administrative transfer, on request transfer, mutual transfer. Administrative ground transfer have effect on seniority? No. In which case trade union office bearer can be transferred without consent of unions? Vigilance case, promotion case, legal necessity. Can employee refuse to take the regular promotion before MSCP? Yes, but they are not considered for financial upgradation for that grade. Can employee refuse to take the regular promotion after MSCP? Yes. Online platform created exclusively for airing suggestion grievance by railway pensioners or solving pension related issue is ARPAN. Medically decategorized employees should be provided alternative appointment in suitable post in the same grade without monetary loss, duly keeping in view the provision of section 47 of PWD Act 1995. Unfair trade practice are defined in which schedule of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947? The fifth schedule. In respect of running staff, emolument for the purpose of pensionary benefits will include 55% of basic pay as running allowance. Child care leave admissible in respect of adopted minor children? Yes. Railway quarters can be retained for a period of indefinite month or on normal rent during sick leave. The commuted portion of pension is stored after completion of how many years from the date of computation? 15 years. Is the female railway servant proceeding on CCL eligible for HRA? Yes. Total section in the Right to Information Act 2005 31. Total chapter in the Right to Information Act 2005 is 6. Right to information and obligation of public authority describes in chapter 2nd of RTI Act 2005. Who is the appointment authority in Group C Level 6? JAG. The limit of stay away from headquarters for running staff should be fixed at 72 hours. Maximum accumulation of LAP is 300 days. How many members are there in the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? 30. Medical category for LC gate man is A3. According to the Industrial Relation Code 2020, conciliation officer means a conciliation officer appointed under Section 43. The Workmen Compensation Act, year 1923. Widow pass class eligibility will be same as post-retirement complementary pass for which employee was eligible. True. In case of death while in service, if service rendered by the employee falls short of the prescribed service for post-retirement complementary pass, a widow shall be eligible for one set pass in alternate year. First class residential card pass can be issued to physically disabled railway employee on production of a certificate to that effect properly issued by senior DMO through he is entitled for second class pass. True. Settlement pass are issued for performing of journey from headquarters to hometown selected place for residence by a railway employee on his superannuation or by widow family digit railway employee in case of death. True. A special passes for any class will be issued to any person whenever railway administration desires so. True. Which software is used for creation of iPass? Java and Oracle. Where is the center of iPass located? Delhi. Who is the competent authority to sanction study leave to the officer in India? GM. Maximum encashment of leave in entire tenure. How many days leave can be cashed in full service period? Maximum 60 days, 6 times with a gap of 2 years. Leave allowed to trade apprentice in a year. 12, 12 days with full stipend and 15 days with half stipend.